केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
Hello dear friends, welcome back to our KSR Textile Company. Guys, in today's video I'm gonna showing some of the beautiful Sharara Garara concepts, in particular beautiful some of the kurtis kind of collections, like 3-piece kind of concepts you're gonna be getting here. And guys, any of the concepts you're gonna be liking, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number, guys. Yeah, send it to the screen available number. And many of the concepts you're gonna be getting here, all you will be get at the factory rate, guys. Yeah, factory rate you're gonna be getting here. So just starting one by one some of the beautiful collections I'm gonna starting here. Do take the screenshot, guys. First of all, in my hand you're gonna be getting in these kind of the beautiful concepts, which are you gonna be getting some of these kind of beautiful stonework, and apart from that mirror work also you gonna be getting here. And in these kind of the beautiful stoner kind of concepts also you're gonna be getting here. And apart from that, guys, you're gonna be getting in these kind of the beautiful bottom wear, in which you want to be getting here these kind of Sharara Garara concept, guys. See how beautiful it was this. See how beautiful in these kind of the concepts in which you want to be getting here. See beautiful variety you want to be getting here. And these kind of the concepts like dupatta also you want to be getting here. See, guys, many of the beautiful variety in these kind of the ready-made Sharara Garara concepts you're going to be getting here. XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL, all the free size you want to be getting here at under factory rate, guys. No need to go 10 to 15 different shops for the varieties. Saris in print, silk, cotton, embroider, dyed, all the beautiful saris, organza, digital print, all the beautiful concepts, lehengas, gowns, kurtis, all you will be get at under the range of factory rate, guys. No need to go 10 to 15 different shops, just visit once in a while. And in this you want to be getting here, see,
We'll start from here, sir.
beautiful concepts, in particular dupattas also, and many of the varieties you want to be getting here. See, guys, this will be the variety you want to be seeing here. Take the screenshot any of the concepts you want to be liking. See, in these kind of the beautiful sequenced work and some of the multicolor textures you want to be getting here, and sizes you want to be getting, all you will be get at under the factory rate, guys. See, in these kind of the factory concepts you want to be getting here. See, 6 to 7 different color shades you want to be getting here. Sharara concepts. I'm totally only focusing in today's concepts only, guys. Yeah, some of the beautiful concepts. And if you want to be having some of the light shaded, some of the mud kind of taste concepts or color preferences, then this one for you, guys. See, in this beautiful sequence work and some of the unique work also you want to be getting here. See, guys, beautifully sequence work and beautifully multicolor threading work. See, guys, and many of the varieties you want to be getting here, like this will be the beautiful concepts, in particular bottom wear, in which Sharara concepts you want to be getting here, and the plain dupatta you want to be having, guys. Total look you want to be expecting, like these will be the look of total concepts of the Sharara Garara items, in which many of the beautiful marriage occasional concepts are waiting for you. The beautiful occasions are also coming here, so for that purposes you will be getting in these kind of the concept, guys. See how beautiful it was this. And apart from that, many of the varieties you want to be getting here. See, guys, in these kind of the beautiful concepts you want to be getting here at under the factory rate, guys. 20 pieces, 50 pieces, 100 pieces in particular color, in particular sizes, that's also available. But we are giving you the different sizes with the XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL. There will be the 4 or 5 mixed sizes, in particular with the mixed different color shades you're going to be getting in particular one set, guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful concepts you're going to be getting here with beautifully embroidered and threading work you're going to be getting here. See, guys, Sharagara concepts also you're going to be getting. Take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number, guys. That's what I'm saying here. Send it to the screen available number. Rather than that, if you are interested in some of the mirror work kind of concepts, then this one for you. See, guys. Some of the mirror work kind of concepts also you want to be getting here. In this mirror work concepts you want to be getting here. Some of the beautiful damnu work also. See, guys. And many of the varieties, in particular Sharara Garara concepts also you want to be getting here. And these kind of the varieties, see. Dupattas are also having simply designed dupatta, plain dupatta you want to be getting here. And apart from that, guys, many of the varieties, concepts you want to be getting here. Please make your comments, reviews, opinions in our comment sections, and the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. There will be not having any kind of the damages or defectives in any of our items. There will be not having any kind of the single changes also. Apart from that, as it is will be sent to your doorstep. There will be not having any kind of the concepts of changes. And let me remind you guys, we are only having in today's market manufacturing range, best reputed company in today's market, guys, because our repeated customers ratio will be high. Yeah, guys, new startup customers are also coming here, welcoming, we are welcoming them. But whole market knows that once the company or once the consumer or customers entered in our Kesariya Textile company, then it's possible for the customers so that they have visit our company several times. And apart from that, please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, या आपकी दुकान है, या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं, या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने में। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट।
साड़ी, कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया सही दाम का नाम।